Hi, do you see this wonderful and your delicious juice? So come together, let's prepare this carrot juice. I'll be using bio carrot. Everything I'm going to use here is gonna be bio. Bio means organic things, okay? Yeah, whenever I say bio, it is organic. So I'll be using organic carrot. I'll be using ginger, lemon, apple. Just bring them together, pour them in a bowl, just wash it very well. We are going to use apple cider vinegar to wash it. Wash like 3-4 times, remove all the dirt, and also remove the, yeah, you know what I mean. Remove all the removable, whatever things you don't need in this. Remove the bark of lemon, peel it, bring only the flesh. And we will go ahead to peel our ginger and cut them. And we begin to blend very smoothly. Guys, after drinking this, you don't need to go and buy artificial juice in the market. Just try it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share, comment, and give this video a thumbs up because it deserves it. So stop buying artificial juice at market. You know, this is without preservative, no artificial sugar. This is natural. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna bring in a lot of natural food and juice, a lot of lifestyle to you. Let me know so you can drink it with your eyes. If you are in a country that is hot, use your eyes to drink it. You can also drink it without eyes if you are in a cold weather like me. So the remaining one, you can also add it in the container and add it in your refrigerator, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Love you all.